Welcome to the 5-Day Essential Oil Expert Challenge. I am Melanie, the founder of Dropsmart and Melanie Method, and I am so incredibly excited about what we are going to accomplish together and experience together over the next 5 days. It's going to be fun, it's going to be challenging, and it's going to be scented with success. And I know on the other side of this, you're going to have an experience that so many of my past students had before this. So where they start to realize through real life examples how much they actually already know about essential oils, how much they already master essential oils. So the Essential Oil Expert Challenge is designed mindfully with aromatherapist evolution in mind. The simple assignments in the challenge connect the dots. I personally created them to do that very thing and clear up the clutter that may have been created by the contradictory information and misleading information that's just out there, and many of our aromatherapists come across when they search for information on blogs, on different media, on books, webinars, and even some summits. So here's a brilliant saying that I love to quote and live by, and it goes something like this: if you want to sound brainy and fancy, then make things look complicated. But if you want to help somebody, make complex things simple. And I really live by this, and I love to make complex things simple. I love the challenge, I love the puzzle. It is at the core of all my work. And you know, as a long student of aromatherapy myself, I found that there are so many things that are presented as challenging and complex, and I want to make it simple. And when I find out how to do this, I love to share it with my colleagues, share it with my friends, share it with you, and just take you along for the ride. So are you ready for the ride? And if you're like so many of my students, in just 5 days, you will know the steps on how to see the complex things simple, you know, how to actually use the knowledge that you thought was complicated and hard, like essential chemistry and scientific studies. You know, a lot of people have problems with that, but how to use that to your advantage, how to make that simple, how to use that so that it will serve you, so that it will serve your clients, your family, or whatever it is that you want to share with the world about essential oils. And just like I showed thousands of students across the globe, I will share it with you too. How to blend smarter, how to blend better, more efficient, more professional, how to sound smarter and more professional as well, and how to produce and create essential oil content at a level of an essential oil expert. Something I will share my story about that in the first email. So how to create recipes and content that even 5 days prior they didn't think they were capable of doing, or that it's even possible. And once you start doing impossible, seeing the impossible, what else is possible too? And that's what we're going to do with this challenge. And I'm so ready to share this information with you. I'm so excited, and I hope you are as well. So in fact, starting day 1, today perhaps, you might be here and say, well, this sounds fantastic, Melanie, but I don't know what my essential oil expertise is. I don't even know where to start. I don't understand essential oil chemistry. I don't think I even want to. And I have so much information about essential oils already coming to me, from all of these different sources. Where do I start? Well, don't worry. That's exactly where we're going to start, at the beginning, okay? So day 1 of the challenge, we're going to take and make some time to set the stage for your success. So the first day is all about getting clarity and fresh perspective on the possibilities in aromatherapy field, and the possibilities that are ahead of you if you choose to take them. So what do you desire to achieve in aromatherapy and essential oil expert? Where do you see yourself as taking that into a career perhaps? What is on your way, what is in your way, to getting there? And once we get that clear and out of the way, we will dive into essential oil mastery in day 2. We will do it simple yet profound. I love simple. So we're going to take just one oil in day 2, and it's the oil everybody knows, it's lemongrass, but you will see how a tiny piece of reference information can make a huge impact on your aromatherapy career. It can make it or break it, actually. It's your choice. It's actually if you're aware of the choice as well. And here's the secret. Just one quality reference can give you the confidence and the certainty to show you and your audience how powerful your aromatherapy products or services are. It really holds the power to redeem or ruin your reputation. And how much are you really consciously building your aromatherapy reputation on a day-to-day basis? How is this possible? And are you going to get a real experience of that? Well, you are with this 5-day challenge. So now let me tell you a bit why we're doing this challenge. Chances are, if you're here, you've done things like aromatherapy courses, challenges, webinars, you read books and things before, right? So it's not like you've been uninformed. And if this is your first stop, I'm so honored. Welcome. Thank you so much for trusting me. But have you noticed that even when you hear and read these concepts and recipes, there's a big difference between reading it or hearing it, knowing it, learning it, and then actually living it and owning this information. So why is that there are so many books, conferences, schools, YouTube videos talking about essential oils, but still you see so few people being recognized as essential oil experts? And enjoying what that really means. Well, I'm going to share that with you in this first email already, and then we're going to take it further in the next 5 days. So are you ready to get started? If you are, I am so happy to take you on this journey with me. I am grateful that you trust me with this information, and I can hardly wait to share it with you and hear about your results. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the first email.